Hi, in this video, we are going to see alternative backup tools or backup plugins for WordPress. In one of the previous videos, I made a video about all-in-one WP migration. It is an easy tool, but I recently received a comment, a complaint about that it is giving an error. There are multiple ways to resolve those errors. Even after those we could not do, so we plan to switch to an alternative backup plugin, which is also available on WordPress plugins. Simply go to WordPress your site, admin panel, go to add new plugin and search backup. The first plugin that comes with backup here is Updraft. You can search by Updraft as well. Install this. This we can activate it. After activating it, it is active now. We can see under settings, you can see updraft backups. When you click there, you will see there is no backup allowed. You will see you can see there is no backup. Currently, nothing is backed up. We can simply click to start a backup, or we can see any existing backups here. You can migrate. You can temporarily clone your whole service to Updraft clone page, and from there you can copy or transfer it to any other server. There are manual backups also, or every hour backups as well. It's up to you. Depending on your usage, you can upload to all these services. You can even backup to Google Drive if you have Google Cloud, if you don't have a simple FTP, Amazon F3, all these services. What you are going to backup, choose those settings, what will include plugin, themes, and uploads. And most must use plugins are these. It will back up everything, the SQL as well, and debug log also. So if there is any error, once the backup is done, you will change the settings and save settings. Once the backup is done, the system will automatically send you an email on your given email address. And there are many uh, premium features, for example, cloning migration, fast personal support. All these features can be availed with the buying this plugin. And they have other plugins as well. Simply let's try to back up this site, include everything, allow this backup to be deleted manually. Manually means you can delete from the files. If you do not allow, it will be the file will not be writable. It will only be readable. Backup now. Once the backup is completed, now the backup has been completed. You can click close, and there you go with your backup. You can simply download this backup as a whole, or you can delete the files, or you can click database. It will start download to your computer or delete from your server. Same goes for the plugin backup, same goes for the themes backup, and same for file uploads and others mean SQL and other server side files. Thank you for watching. The same way you can restore. The same way you can restore. Simply click the backup and click restore. It will ask you which ones to restore. If there is a issue in uploads or themes or plugins, you can restore one or you can restore all of them. These are the steps you follow, and it will ask you to keep everything intact, keep another backup. We don't want to move further, so we stay here.